I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace lower control arm Toyota Tacoma, updated. Lift the truck, support it on jack stands, remove the wheel, disconnect the sway bar end link and ball joint, unbolt the old lower control arm, compare the new arm, and torque fasteners to spec during installation. Work methodically, keep parts organized, and double-check torque values before lowering the vehicle for a safe test drive. Gather tools and safety gear before you start to save time and avoid interruptions. You will need a quality torque wrench, socket set, breaker bar, ball joint separator, jack and 2 jack stands, penetrating oil, and replacement fasteners. Inspect the new lower control arm for correct bushings and dimensions, and verify part numbers match. Lay out tools in order of use and keep a magnetic tray for nuts and bolts to prevent loss. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes workshop cleanup effortless between repairs. I use mine to get metal shavings and dust gone fast, saving time for the next step. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by loosening lug nuts and lifting the truck until the wheel clears the ground, then secure with jack stands. Remove the wheel, spray rusted bolts with penetrating oil, and disconnect the sway bar link and ball joint with appropriate tools. Support the control arm as you remove mounting bolts, replace the arm, and torque bolts to factory specifications. Reinstall the wheel, lower the truck, and perform a careful test drive to check alignment and handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.